Paper waste remains an unfortunate reality in our schools, whether occurring in classrooms, restrooms, or cafeterias. According to a Sustainable Futures research, educators in the U.S. use over 47 billion sheets of paper each year, making the educational sector one of the largest consumers of paper, when the paper and pulp industry is already the fourth largest emitter of greenhouse gases in America. And just for reference, it takes 500 liters of water, 2 kilograms of solid waste, 6,000 grams of CO2, and 6% of a tree to produce a single stack of paper. Although addressing the irresponsible consumption of paper is hardly a one-step solution, change can start small, starting with our schools. A Sustainable Future, ASF for short, was created on the basis of protecting our planet, wielding a potent combination of advocacy, research, statistics, and outreach to achieve our mission. Ever since its conception, ASF has been educating students and communities through the mediums of videos, sustainable recipes, and presentations. Today, ASF uses a multi-pronged, proactive approach to combat irresponsible paper consumption in the academic setting. First, through ASF's website that provides students with resources to both educate peers and conduct paper consumption studies in their own schools. And next, through ASF's paper consumption model, trained on data collected from schools and modeled with statistical regression techniques that produces yearly paper consumption predictions, tailored to help schools minimize their harmful environmental impacts while streamlining expenses. To learn even more about ASF's initiative, let's answer a few rapid-fire questions. 1. What inspired ASF? A Sustainable Future was initially founded as an advocacy project for SDG 12, Sustainable Consumption and Production. Learning about SDG 12 encouraged us to become advocates for the environment, a mission that we now hope to spread. And 2. What makes ASF's approach unique? ASF's model is made for schools, using data collected from schools. For us, technology was an obvious choice to create and share our mission. ASF harnesses the power of statistics and AI to produce convenient and clear-cut budgeting plans from paper consumption data. Our model is innovative, one of a kind, and will only continue to improve as we receive more and more data from schools. Moreover, through our website, we are able to reach students in schools across the country. While other organizations may provide similar environmental models, ASF specifically addresses the overlooked issue of academic paper consumption, and moreover, we present solutions rather than just analyze numbers. How do we incorporate user and mentor feedback? For schools that have already become ASF member schools, their feedback has been invaluable in enhancing the ASF model, from improving the user interface and incentives to constructing the overall ASF network. In terms of mentorship, we are so appreciative of support from AASHE and industry statisticians. We are also proud partners of the Plastic Project, Treeplenish, and Roots and Shoots. 4. What are ASF's plans for the future? We may have started small, but in the coming year we have big plans to 1. Improve the accuracy of ASF's paper consumption model for all schools in the U.S., 2. Increase user traffic on the ASF website while improving the content and resources currently available. And 3. Strengthen the ASF network by partnering with more environmental organizations, growing our staff of dedicated volunteers, and expanding the ASF network countrywide. After all, the most change is accomplished by many. Therefore, ASF's resources are publicly available on our website, free of charge, for all students to use. Although as one organization, we may only be able to do so much. With each school, our paper consumption model aids in mindfully consuming paper, and with each student we empower to pursue their own environmental movements, we know our actions can have resounding impacts. It is our generation's time to innovate for a sustainable future.